Welcome back. Political parties, social organizations and journalists have condemned PCI Vikram Naik and PCR PI Praveen Kumar Vast's arrogant behavior with Prudent reporter. PCR SP has maintained that if the matter comes before him, he would initiate appropriate action. NCP and Congress has demanded suspension of the hearing police officials. Ironically, even after 72 hours, the inquiry has not seen any visible progress.
Guj and other social organizations like Govansh Raksha Abhiyan and human rights defenders have also condemned the act of police.
Poilo amcho to demand asa, we are also writing to the DGP and the Chief Minister immediately to place both these officers under suspension. And as per as information that we have got, one officer Vast, he was involved in that yesterday's incident. His name has also surfaced in a police drugs mafia nexus report of the House Committee. So such an officer behaving in such a manner with the public in front of camera is a clear-cut example of police atrocities.
See, in the first place, we strongly condemn the high-handedness of a police officer against a reporter. This government is now using its officers to throttle democracy, to suppress it, to threaten it. And we demand that an immediate inquiry and the action that is proposed or that is going to be taken, not proposed, but it should be taken, be made public immediately. If not, this sort of gundagiri by the state government machinery that is meant to maintain law and order.
Earlier, PSI of Panji Police Station Vikram Naik and PCR PI Praveen Kumar Vast had assaulted Prudent's crime reporter and abused him. Complaint was lodged on Saturday. Ironically, even after 72 hours, the inquiry has not seen a visible progress. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Brazil Junketis minister and MLAs are yet to pay the dues to the government despite seeking several extensions. It's year-end now and the Junketis have paid only 2 to 3 lakhs each to the government from the total dues of 89 lakhs. Fisheries Minister Avertano Furtado said they would make part payments to the government. Sources in the SAG said the 4 MLAs have asked for 10 more days to make full payments.
See, we are paying part by part. So very soon we'll complete the full payment.
So till now how much you have been paid?
I think some 3 lakhs or something.
So total is how much?
Total is 15 lakhs.
But sources in SAG informed Prudent that Avertano Furtado, Glenn Ticlo, Benjamin Silva and Carlos Almeida have asked for 10 more days for repayment. The entire Brazil trip cost government about 89 lakhs, of which the minister and 3 MLAs are supposed to bear the 60 lakhs. Remaining amount of 30 lakhs is pending repayment in the name of ministers Ramesh Tawadkar and Milind Naik. These 2 ministers had cancelled their trip following junket controversy. However, agency would be ready to refund only part of the amount as the accommodation facility was utilized by the group of 4 junketiers. Now, the question is, who will bear the remaining cost claimed by the agency? Bureau Report, Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.